Hello student, welcome to third lecture. In last lecture we see the action event and adjustment event. In today's lecture we see some next event classes. So let's start the learning outcome of today's video. First we see the component event, then next we see the container event class, next we see focus event class, and last we see the input event class. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. First we see the component event class. A component event is generated when the size, position or visibility of component is changed. So this is one class in Java and it is regarding component size, position and visibility. There are four types of component event. The component event class define integer constant that can be used to identify them or event. So we see the various classes about event. Every class have the constant and the constant are used to identify the event. In component event class there are four types of constant. Component event is the superclass either directly or indirectly of container event or focus event, key event, mouse event and Windows event. So these are the subclasses of component class and component class is superclass of these classes. So many times in examination the question regarding superclass and subclass is asked. The constant and their meanings are shown here. So the four constant regarding component event. First constant is component underscore hidden and all letters in constant are capital. The component was hidden. To hide the component we use this constant. Next constant is component underscore moved. When component was moved, that time this constant is used. Third constant is component underscore resize. When the component size is resized, that time this constant is used. And last component underscore shown. The component become visible. So for visibility this constant is used. So these are the four constant regarding the component event class. And the constant I again tell you ki what constant role is to understand the or to identify the event. Then next we see the constructor of component event. There is one constructor which have two parameters, component source and second parameter is integer type. Then we see the description about the parameters. The first parameter is src is a reference to the object that generate the event. And the second parameter, the type of event is specified in the type. So first component is source and second component is type. The get component method returns the component that generate the event. So this is one method, get component of component event class used to return the component that generate the event. The general form of the method is display. This method return the component object which generate the event and this method not have any parameters. Then the next class is container event class. Let's see the container event class. A container event is generated when the component is added to or removed from container. So For container event, there are two reasons. If you add any component in container, that time container event is generated, or when you remove specific component from container, that time also container event is generated. So there are two types of container event. The container event class define integer constant that can be used to identify them. First constant is component underscore added, and the second constant is component underscore removed. So by constant name we clearly understand the event. The container event is subclass of component event. Then we see the constructor of container event class have three parameters. First one is component source, second one is integer type, and third one is component object. So we see the description about parameters. First, source is the reference to the container that generates this event. So in first parameter we define the container object which generates the event. If we use the frame, that time we pass the object of frame. Then the type of event is specified by the type. So in second type we can pass component added or component remove constant to identify the event. And the third parameter component object is the component that has been added to or removed from the container. So first parameter is the object of container, and last one is the component which add or remove. So don't confuse in first and third parameter. These are the different parameters. In first we pass the object of container, example like frame, and in third parameter we pass the object of any other component like button. If I remove the button from container frame, so that time I pass the object of button in third parameter. So this is container event. Next we see methods of container event class. First method is get container. This method returns the object of container that generates this event, that is the container in which the component is added or removed. So if in my program f1 is the object of frame, and in that frame if I want to add one component label, that time this method return the object of frame. Next, second is get child. This method returns object of component that was added or to remove from the container. Means this method return the object of component. Okay. So first method return the object of container, and second method return the object of component that will added or remove. Next, we have some MCQ question. A component event is generated when the dash dash of component is changed. Options are: first option size, second option visibility, third option position, and last option all of above. So as we see, the answer of the question is all of above. Component event is generated when size, visibility, and position of component is changed. Second MCQ question is: there are dash dash type of container event. Options are 1, second option 2, third option 3, and fourth option many. Answer of the question is 2. There are two types of container event: component added or component removed. Next, third question: container event is the superclass of component event. Options are true or false. So statement is true, so answer of the question is true. Next event class is focus event class. A focus event is generated when component gain or lose the input focus. So it is regarding the focus of component. These events are identify the integer constant, focus gain, and focus lost. All letters are capital and in between two words use the underscore. Focus underscore gain and focus underscore lost. Focus event is subclass of component event. The constructor of focus event is first constructor is focus event which have two parameter component source and integer type. Second constructor have three parameters. First parameter is component source, second is integer type, and third parameter is boolean temporary flag. In third we pass boolean value true or false. And the third constructor which have four parameters. First one is source, second one is type, third one is boolean temporary flag, and last one is component other. The description above of parameters. First, source is reference to the component that generate this event. So in first parameter source, we pass the object of the component that generate the event. And second parameter is integer type. In that we pass the type of the event like focus gain or focus lost. Then third parameter, the argument temporary flag is set to true if the focus event is temporary. So if the focus event is temporary, that time we pass temporary flag as a true, otherwise we pass the false. So these are the constructor of focus event. Next class is input event class. The abstract class input event is a subclass of component event and is the superclass of the component event, component input event. So remember one thing, input event class is the abstract class. Its subclass are key event and mouse event. So input event class have two subclass, key event and mouse event, that we see in next lecture. Input event defines several integer constant that represent any modifiers such as the control key, begin press that might be associated with the event. Originally, the input event class defined the following 8 values to represent the modifiers. So there are 8 modifier keys. First is alt mask, alt underscore mask. Second one button 2 underscore mask. Third one meta underscore mask. Fourth one alt underscore graph underscore mask. Fifth one button 3 underscore mask. Sixth one shift underscore mask, and seventh button 1 underscore mask, and third one control underscore mask. These are the modifiers. Only only remember this for input event class. Then next we have some MCQ question. First question, dash dash is generated when a component gain or loss input focus. Options are focus event, second option input event, third option component event, and last option container event. Answer of this question is focus event. Focus event is generated when component gain or loss input focus. Second question, focus events are identified by the integer constants. First option is focus gain, second option is focus loss, third option both A and B, last option none of these. Answer of this question is both A and B. First two are the identify integer constant, used to identify the integer constant. Third one, input event subclass says are key event. Options are true and false. So this statement is false, so answer of this question is false. In this lecture we see the 4 event classes, and in next lecture we see some another event classes. Thank you.